In today's video, I am going to teach you how to connect Google Tag Manager to Shopify. To begin, log into your Google Tag Manager account. Once you are inside the dashboard, look near the top of the screen for your container ID. This is the ID that begins with GTM, followed by a series of letters or numbers. Click on that container ID to open the installation instructions. This is the section that gives you the code you need to add to your Shopify store. Keep this Google Tag Manager window open, because you will need to refer back to it in a moment. You should see two code blocks here. One is intended for the head section of your site, and the other is for the body section. For this walkthrough, we are focusing on the code block meant for the head area. Next, open a new tab and log into your Shopify admin. From the left-hand menu, go to Online Store, then click Themes. This will take you to the page where your current theme is listed. Find your active theme, then click the three dots next to it to open more options. From that menu, select Edit Code. This opens the theme editor, where you can access the files that control your store layout. Inside the code editor, look for the Layout folder. In that folder, click on Theme, Liquid. This is the main layout file for your Shopify store, and it contains the head section of your site. Since Google Tag Manager needs to be loaded as early as possible, this is the correct place to insert the head script. Now go back to your Google Tag Manager tab and copy the top code block, which is the script intended for the head section. After copying it, return to Shopify and locate the opening head tag near the top of the theme.liquid file. Paste the Google Tag Manager head script directly below that opening head tag. Placing it there helps ensure the Tag Manager loads properly across your store pages. Take a moment to check that the code was pasted cleanly and that it sits in the correct location. This helps prevent formatting issues or accidental placement in the wrong part of the file. Once that is done, your Google Tag Manager head code has been connected to Shopify through your theme file. That covers everything you need to know.